Yo, hit me up with some water.
Okay. Wanna catch it?
Yeah. Okay. What's there?
Kid, you messy.
Yeah. Okay. Yo, hit me up with some club soda. After that water, I need some to sizzle my mouth. Now, some real drinks. I like a Ruffino. Come on.
Here you go, kid.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't do
Yeah, and for the last, let's see. What do you have?
beer, wine. I have all this still.
What kind of wine?
Not very good wine.
How much variety of beer do you got?
I have yellow, blue, green, brown.
Root beer. I'll take the green blue. It's green blue. The yellow blue. The yellow blue is the best.
There's no blue. Just the yellow.
The yellow. Oh, there's no blue. Okay. Then the yellow.
Here you go, kid. You're messing up your facts real bad.
Yeah.
And that's all for Young Bar. Peace. Yeah. Yeah. Give me some. Give me some. Go, 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 go. Okay. Wow, that kid's crazy. I think he got drunk after all that.
Bye.
Bye.